With its compact design and high-speed automation, the Agilent Microplate Labeler enables you to achieve even the most aggressive throughput goals. Using a 600 dpi thermal transfer printer, the Agilent Microplate Labeler prints up to 6 fields per label, including a barcode and human-readable text fields. Labels can be placed on up to all 4 sides of the microplate automatically. Once the label has been placed on the microplate, the optional barcode reader scans the label to verify that the label was printed properly. Agilent hardware-based lab automation systems and workstations control the microplate labeler via Agilent's vWorks automation control software. Bundled software can access a variety of data sources, including comma or TAD delimited files and spreadsheets, and can be integrated with an ODBC-compliant LIMS. Integration-friendly, all microplate labelers include an application interface or API for integrators seeking to run the labeler under their own host automation software. For more information or to request a quote, please contact your Agilent representative or customerservice.automation@agilent.com. Thank you.